Hi everybody, I'm Tom Elliott with John Deere, and today we'll show you how to turn a big trashy pile of limbs into wood chips by using a Frontier wood chipper. For this project, we're matching our Frontier WC1205 wood chipper with a John Deere 5115M utility tractor. It packs 115 engine horsepower and includes the standard 16 forward, 16 reverse power reverser transmission. We've also added an H260 loader with a lift capacity of over 3,500 pounds and a Frontier AV20G root grapple we've used to pile up a lot of debris today. But before we get started, let's go take a look at this big old pile of limbs and see what we're up against. We've been cleaning up debris along this tree line today. We'll dispose of most of it later, but Caitlin will turn this pile of limbs into a pile of wood chips in short order. After hooking up the wood chipper using the quick hitch we added to the 3-point hitch, Caitlin connected the PTO by attaching the input shaft from the wood chipper to the output shaft of the tractor. This transmits power from the tractor to the wood chipper. Once the wood chipper is positioned on level ground, there's a few basic adjustments to make before you get started. The chip deflector and the chip chute are easily adjusted to control the direction and angle the wood chips are thrown. Control the chip throwing distance by adjusting the chip deflector with 2 simple clamp knobs. Control the chip throwing direction by releasing the locking handle, then rotating the chip chute up to 360 degrees. Once Caitlin has placed the tractor transmission in neutral, set the parking brake, and slowly raise the PTO RPMs to 540, she's ready to start the chipper. We've added a self-contained hydraulics option to maintain consistent hydraulic flow and pressure. It can be adjusted with the hydraulic flow control valve, which controls the speed of material being fed into the chipper. The feed roller grabs the limb and pulls it through where the knives chop it into 3 to 5 inch chips. The Frontier WC1205 wood chipper can handle limbs up to 5.5 inches in diameter. The chips run up through the chute and out the deflector to form a nice, tidy pile. Remember, when using a wood chipper, always feed the blunt end of the branch into the hopper first. Never stand directly in front of the hopper when feeding branches in, so debris can't fly back at you. If you can, chip a mixture of dry and green limbs. The moisture in the green material will help lubricate and cool the chipper's knives. Frontier has over 600 implements that are available only from your John Deere dealer, the place to go for advice and equipment. So remember, for implements that help turn your tractor into the workhorse it was built to be, think Frontier and your John Deere dealer.